Hello students, welcome at Educare. This is Vinod Bihani and we will continue our mathematics session for the topic differentiation, which is an important topic from calculus. In the last three derivative sessions we have seen definition of derivative, formulae of derivatives, rules of differentiation and also the meaning of composite function. We have also seen how to find the derivatives from first principles, that is f dash x. Now today's session is we are showing that logarithmic differentiation. What is logarithmic differentiation? For that to understand its need, we have some example. Suppose y equal to x square and then from that dy by dx, that will come as 2x. Now this is from what formula? This is by the formula d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1, like this. Now second example is there, if y equal to 2 raised to x, then from that dy by dx will be equal to 2 raised to x into log 2. How this come? This come from the formula d by dx of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x into log e. Then the third example written there is for derivative of 2 square. So we take here y equal to 2 square. Do you know 2 square, that is 2 into 2, that is 4. Therefore dy by dx will be derivative of 4, which is 0. This is how it come. It come from that relation we know, derivative of any constant is always equal to 0. Now these are the some basic functions to know how their derivatives are find out. These examples are given to understand when to use the logarithmic differentiation if there is a function which contain the index as well as base both as function, that is x raised to x, for example. So we supposed to get the derivative for y equal to x raised to x and it is asked to find derivative. We cannot direct differentiate. There is no formula available of this type. Then what to take in such case? In such case, taking log of both sides. So in logarithmic differentiation, taking log of both sides. Meanwhile, we give this y equal to x raised to x as equation 1 and now taking log of both sides. Therefore, it is log LHS is equal to log RHS. Therefore, we get log y equal to log x raised to x can be written x log x by using formula log a raised to b is equal to b log a by that. Now it can be now differentiate with respect to x. Therefore LHS log y, it is composite function, its derivative will be 1 upon y into derivative of y, that is dy by dx. X log x is product of two function using product rule, first function as it is into derivative of second plus second function as it is into derivative of first, means something like this. Now here this x cancel and remaining is this RHS. So this is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Therefore dy by dx is equal to, you can transfer y on that side and then we get something like this, y into bracket 1 plus log x. Now we have to put the value of y there, and when you put value of y from equation 1, we will get this dy by dx something like this, y into bracket, but y is this x raised to x into bracket 1 plus log x. So that is how to find the derivative if both base and the index they are functions. We may take one more example. Suppose we want the derivative of x raised to log x. So we suppose let y equal to x raised to log x. Here also no direct derivative possible. Here also we use logarithmic differentiation. For that purpose, taking log of both sides. If you take log of both sides, you get LHS log y, RHS log of x raised to log x, means it is log x into log x. This can be written log y equal to log x into log x, means log x bracket square. Meanwhile, we give this equation 1 for that y equal to what it was, and that was x raised to log x. Now this log y LHS RHS log x bracket square, this can be differentiated with respect to x. Yes, it is differentiate with respect to x. When you differentiate LHS log y, its composite function and derivative will be something like this, 1 upon y into dy by dx. RHS, log x bracket square is composite function. Suppose this bracket is x, as we have seen in composite function, then this will look x square, derivative of x square is 2x, here not x but log x, because not x but log x into derivative of log x, which is 1 upon x. So this will come, or that can be written as 2 log x upon x. What this is equal to is 1 upon y dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to y transfer on that side, and then we will get something like this. In the last step, put value of y from that equation 1. And if you, from equation 1, put value of y, you will get your answer dy by dx as y into means x raised to log x into bracket 2 log x upon x. So that is the answer. Means it can be written as derivative of means d by dx, that is derivative with respect to x of x raised to log x as x raised to log x into the bracket this 2 log x upon x. So that is something like this, how to use the logarithmic differentiation. Logarithmic differentiation is also used when there is some complicated product and division of some functions. If you like this video, share with your friends, share this maximum with your friends, subscribe to our channel and press the bell button icon to get our notification. Thanks.